Hello everyone, my name is Bunny. Today my aunt got a COVID-19 vaccine. I think she should eat more fruits. So I decided go to the shop to buy some kinds of fruits for her. Let's go shopping with me. Wow, this shop has a lot of fruits. Let me see. Plum is plum. This is watermelon, and this is apple. Wow, it's nice color. Pineapple and coconut. Coconut is very good for health. It's pear. It's papaya. Papaya is my favorite fruit. It is orange. It's lemon and mangosteen. It is tangerine. It is cherry and grapefruit. It's guava and durian. My grandma loves durian. Banana, strawberry, mango, blueberry, and peach. My favorite color. I get coconut. Pear for my aunt because it's good for her. And I get watermelon, strawberry and papaya because I and my brother love them. I get durian. I get peach and orange for my grandma and my sister because they love it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video will make my aunt feel better after getting vaccinated. Goodbye and see you in my next video. Goodbye.